Y'all, this is so unexpected. Chili's new shrimp bowl. Once I saw it, I was like, I have to record. It's got rice, shrimp, pico, guacamole, and tortilla chips. Got the corn and bean mix. Take some of this guac. Wow. Guys, Applebee's is truly getting ready for summer. Like, what? This bowl is so summer. Like, my son has a corn dog. If anybody want to know what's that beat playing in the background, that's a song he didn't compose himself. I don't know how he did it. With this little app. And this the beat he done made.
I just press the things. I just put them where they're supposed to go.
This was so impromptu. Lettuce. Y'all go over to Applebee's. The shrimp are good. And they gave me a good amount of shrimp. I was really craving like a salad today. And I got this.
And this one make the sound.
Like, this guac doesn't taste bad at all. Like, wow, they did a really good job. I guess they know people are coming back out. And they don't want some good food, because it was like for a minute Applebee's wasn't good at all. But this bowl has totally redeemed them. I love your background music, baby.
Now let me tell you how do you do it.
Okay.
When you let go of a person out of it, check it out. And then you put a person that can. Who's making it? Just making it by itself. You're supposed to put.
I need just some hot sauce with this.
Then you put him to the guitar.
Or some jalapeno.
Then put my character to the guitar.
Because this is so light and fresh tasting. Some jalapeno would make it just hit.
Oh yeah! I made a new sound now. making a good song.
Mm-hmm.
I'm making it very wide.
Okay. The rice is not too mushy. How your corn dog taste? This is pretty good, guys. I would have never expected Applebee to come out with something so good. I'm sorry the steering wheel is in the way, y'all. If they just had something spicy on it. This is like a really mild, like it don't have no spice. And I'm a hot sauce person, so it just needs something spicy, but it's so good. My son wanted, what did you get? What all did you get to eat, Moses?
I have corn dog and applesauce.
I got some chocolate milk.
And my chocolate milk.
I got water.
I do like water. And even that water, I didn't want it in the bag.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I had to stop the track right here. Well, the clip, not track. It's not a studio, but last night Dad was pissed because his side of bed was wet. So I don't know. He just mysteriously brought up this conversation of the bed being wet. So yeah.
Who wasted the water in the bed?
Maybe Daddy. Maybe he was laying on it. I was sleeping in my own bed. And I came in your bed.
When I woke up, I thought she was in my bed.
How was it? What happened? I'm lower.
Whoa.
What?
I just got something spicy. Maybe it's that chimichurri sauce. Wow. I just got a kick of something spicy. Applebee put chimichurri sauce on everything, though.
My chocolate milk
Wow.
tastes good than that. My chocolate milk tastes very good.
Wow. Mouth is on fire right now.
How? Why are we at McDonald's? Wait.
I just wanted to park so we can eat. Like a car mukbang.
Mommy, after so many lessons, you said I can eat that Chick-fil-A. The screen is wiggling. Yay.
Did I say that at Chick-fil-A? You want to eat Chick-fil-A tomorrow?
What's a plate took a booker?
You want to taste, don't you?
I got something spicy. I feel something spicy. What's that do?
I just gave you rice only.
I feel something spicy on my tongue.
But then that's why you should have been looking so hard. I'm trying to see how many shrimp I got left, y'all. So I ate all this and I still got 2 shrimp left. And I mean, I was literally taking bites of what I wanted. Like, it wasn't like 4 shrimp. Y'all, I literally have the itis so much because of this food. I don't know about this though.
Can I try?
Look at that piece.
Can I try it?
Ew. Try what?
Try that?
Yeah.
I don't feel nothing hot. No.
That lettuce tastes good and crispy.
No! I didn't mean to press it. Mommy, what are those?
I don't see it.
Macaroni? I think I got something.
Alright, guys. That's where I'm at with it. Thanks so much for watching this mukbang with me and my son.
And hearing the song.
I just want to eat this last shrimp. I got 2 more shrimp. And hearing his song.
Now it's feeling good now. Because the song feels good when you eat.
Y'all go to Applebee's and order this.
And order the chocolate milk because it's so good.
If you into like bowls, like Chipotle bowls, as we all know, Chipotle don't got shrimp. This is your version of a shrimp Chipotle bowl.
gotta get this chocolate milk too.
They did something so good with this.
It has so many. This tastes like ice cream, so good.
Y'all subscribe.
And it tastes very good. Gotta get this.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. That was pressure.
Still drinking it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Backstage.